This broadcast is brought to you by Relyance Bank. Good morning, Lakeside. I'm Max Smith.
And I'm Cole Lawrence.
And you're watching Lakeside News.
Are you competitive when it comes to playing video games? If so, you might be interested in competing against other teams across Arkansas. Esports is coming to Lakeside this semester. If you're interested, fill out the survey emailed by Mr. Lee.
Now check out this news story on the bowling team made by me.
People that work together and listen not only to the coach's directions but to each other's directions. You have to work together in order for the team to do well at conference and state because it's about 90% mental than it is about throwing the ball down the lane because that's just muscle memory. But being able to keep your mental focus together and make adjustments and not let the other teams bother you because they're yelling and screaming at you or interrupting your approach, things like that you normally don't have in like professional bowling or league style bowling. It's a lot different.
I found some friends who were doing bowling and then they encouraged me to go, so I decided to go and try it out, and I fell in love with it. Teamwork is very important for bowling because we have our ups and downs, but if we work as a team, then our scores will, the scores reflect on how well we work and communicate.
Last year the boys won state. My first year the girls were runner-up to Greenbrier, which is a perennial 5A state bowling. Then 2 years ago, the boys were runner-ups, and then last year, the boys ended up winning state. That was the year that they put everything together. They started working together. It wasn't about the individual bowler, it was about the team bowling. And when other teams started falling off, they came together.
Come out and support our Lakeside Rams wrestling team at the Western 5A Conference February 9th. Go see Coach Ballard, Bradley, or Burchard for more.
And here's Hailey Hawkins asking 25 questions to Hannah Melanson.
You ready to get interviewed?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Hannah Melanson.
What is your nickname?
Chon Chon.
What was your first job?
At a marina.
What is something you wish everyone knew about you?
That I love sea animals.
What makes you mad?
Liars.
What scares you?
Being alone.
What makes you happy?
Seeing my friends laugh.
How many pets do you have?
3.
What are they and what are their names?
I have 2 cats and a dog. Devo and Crash are my cats, and Rocket is my dog.
Which one's your favorite?
Crash.
Where do you want to live when you are older?
New York.
Where are you planning on going to college?
U of A.
What is your major?
Radiation therapy.
What is your best life tip?
To get rid of distractions.
What is your favorite memory?
When Michaela ran over a dolphin on a jet ski in the ocean.
What is your current obsession?
Pinterest.
What is one thing you cannot live without?
Chapstick.
Describe yourself in 3 words.
Positive, outgoing, and caring.
What is your favorite color?
Pink and yellow.
Where is your favorite place to eat?
Any Mexican restaurant.
What do you get from there?
Cheese enchiladas.
What is one thing that is your favorite thing about cheer?
Stunting.
What are you going to miss about high school?
Being with my best friends every day.
Well, did you have fun being interviewed?
Yeah!
All right, that's it for today, Lakeside. I'm Cole Lawrence,
And I'm Max Smith.
and we'll see you next week.